Can I show you 3 different AI side hustles that are earning people $500 per day? And can I show you proof that real people are actually making money doing these different side hustles? Imagine making over $500 a day using nothing but AI, without any special skills or prior experience. Sounds crazy, right? Well, today I'm going to show you 3 powerful AI side hustles that real people, including myself, are already using to make serious money in 2025. But here's the kicker. Some of these AI tools are so next level that they're actually a little controversial. So, if you don't mind stepping into the future of online income, buckle up, because I'm about to break it all down for you with real proof and actionable steps to get started today. Make sure to watch until the end, because the last AI hustle on this list might just be the most profitable opportunity of the year. And before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button if you're excited about using AI to make money, and subscribe so you don't miss out on future game-changing side hustle ideas. Now, let's get started. Let's kick things off with the first AI side hustle, AI-generated dot-to-dot books. These surprisingly popular interactive activity books for kids on Amazon feature simple pages with images where lines are erased and replaced with numbered dots. As simple as it sounds, these dot-to-dot books are a big hit. For example, one best-selling book in this category sells around 2,760 copies a month, according to sales estimators. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Amazon has a free self-publishing program called Amazon KDP, which allows anyone to publish books on their platform. Amazon handles the printing, shipping, and sales, and in exchange, you get 60% of the profit. When we do the math, a best-selling dot-to-dot book could earn over $16,000 per month after Amazon takes their cut. So, how can you create your own dot-to-dot books using AI? First, you'll need an AI image generator. Some popular ones include Stable Diffusion, Leonardo AI, DALLE, or my personal favorite, Midjourney. Simply ask the AI to generate a simple black line art image, and once you have your picture, open it in an image editor like Photopea. Use the eraser tool to erase parts of the image that you'll convert into dots. Next, upload your edited image into Canva. Once there, upload the original image, overlay it on top of your edited one, and adjust the transparency to make it partially see-through. Then, use Canva's Shapes tab to add circles over the areas where you erased lines and use the text tool to add numbered dots. After you're done, remove the original version and you'll have a perfect dot-to-dot design. You can even smooth out the jagged edges with a shape tool, making your creation look polished. Finally, you can bundle your dot-to-dot designs into a PDF and list them for sale on Amazon KDP. AI automated candles are quickly becoming one of the most exciting and unique side hustles, especially on Etsy, one of the biggest online marketplaces. Candles are a hot commodity, particularly as gifts, and the numbers don't lie. For instance, in just 24 hours, one candle sold 50 units, another 9, a third 22, and another 63, all priced at an average of $18.74. That means one single candle brought in over $1,180 in sales in just one day. So, what's the secret behind these bestsellers? They all feature hilarious or cheeky jokes, an AI-friendly trend that tools like ChatGPT can easily leverage. With AI at your fingertips, you can generate high-quality, niche-specific jokes by analyzing what's already performing well and crafting similar humor aimed at specific audiences. Once you've got your AI-generated jokes, you can use a graphic design tool like Canva to create a simple but striking label for your candles. Then, platforms like Printify make it easy to bring your designs to life with print-on-demand candles. You simply upload your custom label onto blank candles sourced from top manufacturers like Printed Mint. When a customer buys a candle from your Etsy store, Printify handles the printing, packaging, and shipping, leaving you with nothing but the profit. This print-on-demand model automates the whole process, making it an effortless and scalable way to earn money using AI. Now, let's dive into a side hustle that's near and dear to my heart: automated AI t-shirts. Here's the deal. Printify isn't just about candles, as some of you might already know. They offer a wide variety of products, including clothing like t-shirts. And guess what? T-shirts are actually their top-selling product. It's no surprise that they're also incredibly popular on Etsy. Take this one t-shirt, for example. In the past 24 hours, it sold over 11 units, and in the past week, it sold over 60. At an average price of $21.85, that means this one shirt racked up over $1,300 in just a week. Impressive, right? The formula for these designs is simple: a catchy image paired with a memorable slogan. So, I thought, why not give this side hustle a go myself? For 90 days, I experimented with using AI to generate t-shirt designs that I could sell on Etsy. I turned to ChatGPT to create fun slogans, and then Midjourney helped me generate stunning AI art. I brought everything together in Canva to craft the perfect t-shirt designs. Once the designs were ready, I listed them on Etsy using the print-on-demand model, and to my surprise, it was a huge success. Alright, there you have it. The top AI side hustles you can start right now to make $500+ daily in 2025. No experience required. How awesome is that? If you're ready to dive in and start building your AI-powered income, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks to boost your side hustle game. Got any questions or want to share your thoughts on which AI hustle you're trying first? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Remember, the best part about these AI side hustles is that you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Just pick one that resonates with you, set up your system, and watch how quickly it can start bringing in income. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. Let's make 2025 your most profitable year yet. Until next time, stay smart, stay hustling, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.